Hello friends, all of you know and see that bulldozer, what type of activity done by it. Mainly to smash the building material or any such which is to build up newly. But here we can see that bulldozer can be applied for cleaning the jungle, even large tree or plant can be uprooted by the bulldozer with the help of heavy metal chain. The 2 ends of the chain is connected to 2 bulldozers and they move slowly. With the movement of their chain also move, and with the help of chain, jungle or small trees are uprooted, and also the tall tree lower part totally uprooted. This is the technology usage of bulldozer